footballers are not human beings when it comes to the transfer market. Commodities. Said the ton tomatoes or grass.
Okay.
And we are in the wrong market. Chelsea were playing with the devil. Saga in the past 2 days. Guy Neville say FSG for NASA. I'm back a club.
Yes.
Obia soon say transfer window way. Liverpool. Main target na Jude Bellingham. They told you say Liverpool and try Jude Bellingham and take a decision. And cast on free racing. Meaning almost can quagro. Because all kind nearby about priority target by Mason Mount.
Mekaipa.
So okay. Mason Mount become Manchester United because salary or Belgium. Liverpool team to 65 million na Chelsea peno. And could you ask salary no capre team or Moboa. Catherine Turam Sika. Manu Kondi Sika Mira. But then the reality is this. After the bashing, Jurgen club no nya support. Jemika Akochoro so Nintia Liverpool MP Caicedo. That alone should have told you there is an insider comment. Also, it may not happen. If Liverpool agree a fee with Brighton, they will force Caicedo's hands. Sanity, when you agree a fee with a club, it's cheap player answer. But the player can also say, you've agreed a fee with this club, memo.
Yeah, no,
yes.
The MPDA in Saudi for
absolutely.
What is Caraba? Maybe no more Casamemo.
Good. But Sir Caicedo in the camp, no, they've demonstrated from January. Say, any team be no more powerful.
What will you choose?
So, already your moye na.
A big quantity I ever with Mama.
Chelsea, if they have any move, they should act quick. And in fact, even though Liverpool here midfielders, right? Say, Omoko, no more problem, and they say, Omo Ejai Lavia, no more for Caicedo and one person. Now Chelsea would end up with Lavia, any Tyler Adams, our own team statistics here, then they have a problem. Because the briefing was that Chelsea were working towards a breakthrough. So one move against Liverpool Sunday, they will present Caicedo before that game.
Oh, okay.
The player power, but the club hold the aces. No matter the personal terms, I'll be agree. So Moka Somoma player no club na ni fear or pena. Uncle. So first nobody can be a player and say Obeba. That I was talking about Chelsea. Maybe na me you're rough. This thing could escalate quickly.
We know.
I would want to hear the Liverpool side. If you Chelsea for side never. I would want to hear the Liverpool side what the briefing would be, because on the pair I also said the Liverpool journalists were being prepared for a brief. It's not like they don't have money. They've demonstrated before. So the owners don't like borrowing money from outside. On person team now mo no fi hunsu na no eno ana mo fa no aninam. Nti medaya komia ene. I'll be relying on him. So what is the Liverpool side? What is the brief? What is the brief about it? Because for the Lavia file, Lavia ain't agreeing anybody 50 million. But Southampton they've even rejected the Chelsea offer.
Yes.
And then Chelsea names Lavia 50 million. Just imagine this. The consensus out there is a Romeo Lavia, maybe 50 million pounds.
Yes.
But Chelsea could be 48 million pounds.
Yeah. Sanke 50 are two differences.
I mean, what do they lose? But what I say, and I make kind of sense to say between Chelsea and Liverpool, Chelsea now making better personal terms offer for Romeo Lavia. They hold you on some Jurgen Klopp and the baby or they are crying in the bush and fafa. But then again, I repeat, who bet me agree personal term be what we are saying with the player. Say Chelsea and Southampton agree fear. They will force Lavia's hand. After all, they've even offered you better wages. So the transfer dynamic, I've seen transfer markets, but Sir Hurricane, Caicedo, Lavia, domino effect, could even overshadow the Saudis. They say you arm Tottenham with money. Why no more pay? That's the first question you ask yourself.
Yes.
Because Bundesliga and Nimunyam Nano Mekawa Ebe Kosru, England captain Harry Kane, one of the best goal scorers, Abba to finally replace Lewandowski. When he Ombenya Nabro so 3 years at the very top, say Pram Mema. But then the realistic take here is that you arm Tottenham with money, and they will go into the market for replacement. Last time Omunya Sika for a star player like this was Gareth Bale.
Yes.
Yeah, Vlad Kirikes. Brazil for the midfielder Bino.
Sandra and Paulinho.
Paulinho.
Okay.
Eriksen.
Yeah.
Lamela. Kwaku. Almost spread this can power.
Pascal
Soldado.
Soldado.
Gareth Bale si can no more there no. Fine. I'm on project no. I'm on the instant results. A lot of them didn't even live up to the billing. But Kwaku saw I made a team with money. They would go into the market. And I expect Tottenham to go into the market and attack the European market very well.
SOMPA Sports.
Yeah, Mumi send a player and say na on-court training. Look at how Harry Kane has carried himself throughout this process. Even at the time, say, Omufi Singapore aba, Daniel Levy say on your break a crowd, or maybe yenti, any sign of man, Harry Kane conducted himself. He conducted himself very well. Into the idea that I was forcing move, training this animal, especially when you are the captain of the team and then it is that dignified. You know, even in England, I feel no window no sign starting, but they don't have time, and the season is already upping up. There is this hospital in Wimbledon, a friend of Fortress Wimbledon. I'm on the leaky Tyler Adams story, and this is the current situation with football. I'm going to MRI scan. I'm going to your hamstring. Until next be in the trap picture. Tyler Adams. Then people got to know say he had even started the first phase for Chelsea to be able to ascertain say Tyler Adams ni plano. So I'm turning to see home. The Tyler Adams, like Akumia said, Mijitum said it is far down the road. Omedrechi saying a release clause, a relegation release clause. And a Chelsea BBC, Rodrigo Moreno called.
Yes.
I think one of the players also called Roma. Christensen. Now look at this. Wilfred John to also say more because Oma Mana and Timo Pesoko. Clearly Leeds are doing a clear up. Omu Jiskana, no they are bomb bra. That is it. I watched Leeds. Omu first game, Omu Cardiff ne boy. Me first half, ne show 2-0. So Chelsea ni boy bina no on Ike Ugbo.
Yeah.
Even scored.
Yeah,
good. So Kwaku, transfer market it's not coming to explode. But Tottenham have been armed with money.
I was at Liverpool for national say the official bid on the call. They are coming Brighton and over beyond so more promotions.
Liverpool for national then they are far down the road. I didn't win and see.
Liverpool didn't come on.
Yeah, they are far down the road. Mystery club does your more.
I'm gonna decant this habit in the call first able to do.
They pay money because Andinalo no Athletic naturally he would have mentioned the name. And Chelsea are aware. Yeah, Kwaku supporters. Yeah, kakrebi ni anymore. Kakrebi. But they are far down the road than you think. Time I'm open on releases our information. Chelsea won last night, so Liverpool must bring something up. There is a briefing coming up. But I'm surprised say Chelsea for no and the first. And I would want to see the wedding because Caicedo obviously has spoken to Chelsea at length. I'm going to expose your project at Channel and BBR. Now I would want to ask. And then
and I don't pay Harriet Perez say or no Liverpool for Anfield wrap. No Scar no pay. I'm also on your show say Chelsea will pay 150 million pounds for both Lavia and Caicedo. On your show. And it comes at a point where Chelsea have also bid for Lavia.
But it's underwhelming anyway.
It's Liverpool phoning him.
They are aware. But you see, I'm also of the view, say, Lavia, right, and Caicedo, and then Tyler Adams, they've been tied together in a transfer puzzle. Oh, yeah. They've been tied together. Tyler Adams would obviously be a replacement for Lavia. Now, it could even be the other way around. Talada live your mum nekobo. It is strange and interesting. Kwaku akrabi ko Leipzig game ya pass obi anko fan. Lukeba. Ya eshima kuma pa.
French international.
No mbebu obi ya na ya no.
Another 100
no, write this down today. Be na sometime what you made dia. We ni bobe dia sen gwadio.
I crowd.
Only ball too much. Leon share Liverpool preseason match we last year. Lukeba we. Only Malo Gusto and a Bradley Bacola. No, you could clearly see that these are footballers that will go places. They would go places. Until Lukeba you be hunana. Then women are different. This is why I'm going to explain it. Ne mama ne papa and then the Cole's team coach Beka Chinese ko baby obenye biabo.
We will now footwear on the mom.
Ko baby kwaku hwe age I almost started the bubble on continent in unlike England. We be call Dutch league mom bubble abos across 16 17 no mu Matthijs de Ligt. We be call Italy boy be Atalanta a friend is Calvini.
Yes.
Kiti. No Bobby. The time Chiellini started bomber Juventus. No bo. But England here now be fem back be. But in Italy and on the continent, especially Germany like this, okay, so normal. I'm surprised. Say Lukeba here Germany condense no. I don't blame the clubs. Ombe ya say they call Dayo Upamecano. One. Ibrahima Konate. Oko mu nyina mu free na ya omko.
Na free oneko.
Ti no be kwa konye biabo. Abro so 2 years.
150.
Ombe papa. That's the transfer market. I'm pained. Mira, I think it's only fair and refreshing we make this to you. And when you have a personal appeal, you say, baby, Ejina Sika, any preservation in Quanta. San Siro, no, a stadium, both Milan teams, no. Now, maybe I'm a person who share some video way, the area, you didn't come about community with you.
The entertainment business, whether they like it or not, that's the reality, and they have to adapt to that reality in order to be able to secure revenue all year round and not just when there's a match going on.
Stadium way. Makohoda. Stadium na dada. Aye. Okay, I say. Yadam for obi any didn't come BT Sports. See baby omu lay cables or mu bre power back on.
Yes.
Time now na stadium where you peak no. Etwem.
I am ready.
Then so Italian Sea Museum Monument. AC Milan Inter Milan so who say. Obi Tottenham Stadium ni city na. That is the angle they should be angling for. Almost omum from Sanka. Na nyamani bi ho a they don't want to lose it. But just imagine that, Mira. Just imagine that. And a stadium near your mind over the years they've done everything possible to own the San Siro. And over 100 years. Colosseum. This is what is holding Italian football back. A Danen Toka between Juventus and the Turin community no, when they wanted to leave the Dele Alpi. Ebina sensi wa hai. Into the Italian football. Roma and Lazio.
Yes.
Co-sharing na ewo hono say okwa teams mienu na use stadium no. Baby a door so pa no. Italy. I start. Hellas Verona. Any Chievo Verona. Omienu number Stadio Bentigodi. Obe Camera. Omontiasie. Then we have Lazio, any Roma, Ombo Olimpico. And then you have this.
AC Milan, Inter Milan.
Intimira, ding, Omunya and Komboka Pesika. Because Omusi new stadium now, Ombe Beam, Ombe ye seats nama, Aya Kono. Uhe Italian football now, Tatan tracks no.
Yeah.
And the stands no. The people are a bit far compared to England to the pitch. But in form, ba. So, it's between preservation and modernity. Milan and Inter are at the crossroads regards getting a new facility.